Fat-burning foods refer to foods that have a thermogenic effect on the body, meaning they increase the body's metabolism and help burn more calories. These foods are typically high in protein, fiber, or healthy fats and low in calories. Incorporating fat-burning foods into a diet can help increase the body's metabolism and promote weight loss. Although it's a great step, it is vital to keep in mind that eating these foods alone won't guarantee weight loss. Maintaining an overall healthy diet and regular physical activity is essential for the best results. Additionally, these foods can provide other health benefits such as improved digestion and satiety. Fat-burning foods. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are high in antioxidants, which can help to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Berries are also low in calories and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full for extended periods. Leafy greens, including spinach, kale, arugula, and collard greens, are a nutrient-packed way to lose weight. They are high in fiber, low in calories, the perfect combination to fuel your body while you shed pounds. They also contain various vitamins and minerals that can help boost metabolism and support overall health. Fishes like salmon, tuna, sardines and mackerel are excellent sources of protein and healthy fats, which can help boost your metabolism and promote weight loss. Fish is also low in calories and can help keep you feeling full for longer periods. Eggs, in their entirety or just the whites, are a fantastic way to pack some protein into your diet. Plus, they are low calorie and can keep you satisfied for longer, so you don't reach out for unhealthy snacks. They are great for your health and boost metabolism and weight loss. If shedding extra pounds is your goal, adding a variety of nuts and seeds to your daily diet is an effective and healthy way. With a powerhouse of essential fats, protein, and fiber, snacking on almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds can rev up your metabolism and help you stay full for longer. Plus, they're super low in calories. Why not start munching? Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are excellent choices for those looking to lose weight. They have high fiber content and low calorie count, making them ideal for a healthy diet plan. They also contain various vitamins and minerals that can help boost the metabolism and support overall health. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are excellent choices for those looking to lose weight. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, these vegetables are low in calories and can help to fill you up while providing essential nutrients. They also contain potent antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect against disease. Include cruciferous vegetables in your diet to get closer to your weight loss objectives without compromising on the nutrition value or taste of your meals. The vitamins and minerals help boost the metabolism and support overall health. Include cruciferous vegetables in your diet to get closer to your weight loss objectives without compromising on the nutrition value or taste of your meals. Legumes such as lentils, black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans are high in protein, fiber, and healthy carbohydrates, which can help to boost metabolism and promote weight loss. They are also low in calories and can help keep you feeling full for more extended periods. Spices such as turmeric, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and ginger have been shown to have thermogenic properties, which can help to boost the metabolism and promote weight loss. Not only are they packed with flavor, but these ingredients are also deficient in calories, making them the ideal option to add flavor and taste to any meal without overloading calories. Different types of tea contain compounds that can aid in weight loss, such as green tea, black tea, and oolong. Of these three teas, green tea stands out due to the presence of EGCG, a compound scientifically proven to have thermogenic properties. Dairy products such as Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and cheese are excellent sources of protein, which can help to boost the metabolism and promote weight loss. Not only are they light on calories, but these snacks can also help keep you satiated for more extended periods of time. Packing your diet with whole grains like quinoa, oats, brown rice can be incredibly beneficial for weight loss and elevated metabolism. Not only are they high in fiber complex carbs, but they are also low in calories, helping you stay full for longer. Loaded with healthy fats and fiber, avocados can act as a metabolism booster and aid in weight loss. Although high in nutrients, they are low in calories and can help you feel full for longer. Tofu is an amazing food for dropping excess weight low in calories, which makes it an excellent food for weight loss. It also contains various vitamins and minerals that can support overall health. The culinary possibilities of tofu are endless. It's an incredibly versatile ingredient that can easily liven up stir-fries, soups, and salads to add flavor and texture. Coconut oil is loaded with healthy fats and has thermogenic properties that assist the body in increasing metabolism and promoting weight loss. Plus, it is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly digested by the body, thus optimizing fat burning. Lemons are high in vitamin C and other antioxidants. They also have diuretic properties, which can help to flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body, promoting weight loss. Grapefruits are low in calories, fiber, and water, which can help keep you feeling full for extended periods. They also contain a compound called naringenin, which has been shown to have thermogenic properties, which can help to boost the metabolism and promote weight loss. It's important to note that these foods, although beneficial for weight loss, should be included in a balanced diet, and portion control should be exercised. Before you consider significantly altering your diet, it is essential for you to consult a health expert for advice. In this video, we discussed 18 fat-burning foods that can benefit women looking to lose weight. These foods include berries, leafy greens, fish, eggs, nuts and seeds, cruciferous vegetables, legumes, spices, tea, dairy, whole grains, avocados, tofu, coconut oil, lemon, and grapefruit. Incorporating a variety of these foods into a diet can help to boost the metabolism and promote weight loss. However, it's important to remember that eating these foods alone will not guarantee weight loss, and it's essential to maintain an overall healthy diet and regular physical activity for the best results. Making healthy choices and practicing portion control is crucial for weight loss and overall health. It's essential to balance your diet with various nutrient-dense foods and be mindful of the amount of food you consume. Many resources are available for nutrition and healthy eating, such as consulting a registered dietitian, reading nutrition books, and using online resources. If you are considering making any drastic changes to your diet, it is strongly recommended that you consult a certified healthcare professional for guidance and advice.